Hey, what's up, Sami here. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Redmi Note 10 5G series phone. The lineup includes two devices, namely the Redmi Note 10 5G and the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G. The Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G is very different than the Redmi Note 10 Pro variant launched globally a few months ago, which I have also done a review before. You can check out from the link on the screen. The first device we unbox is the magic green color, which features a 3D stereoscopic texture. This pattern is similar to that of Mi 11 Late Dream Signature Edition. When you change the angle, the color varies. You like that? The smartphone is IP53 rated for splash resistance. It measures 163.3 by 75.9 by 8.9mm in dimension and weighs 196.8 grams. The Note 10 Pro gets a 6.67-inch LCD panel, which again refreshes at 120Hz. The 120Hz screen will also have a 6-speed adaptive refresh rate, which will adjust automatically depending on the app and content. The frame rate will remain between 24 to 60 FPS when you watch videos to conserve power, and switch to 50 to 120 FPS when browsing and playing games for a smooth experience. Unlike other phones in the segment, the display of the Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Under the hood, the smartphone features a MediaTek Dimensity 1100 SoC, coupled with up to 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. To keep the thermals down, the handset comes with a quadruple cooling system consisting of VC, vapor chamber, graphite, thermal conductive gel, and copper foil to offer a heat dissipation level of 16,370mm². As for photography and videography, the phone uses a 64MP wide plus 8MP 120° ultra-wide and 2MP micro trip camera setup on the back and a 16MP on the front. If you want to know more of the camera performance, please subscribe, as I will release photo samples on my YouTube community later. The Pro Box also comes with a 67W fast charger, feels really small but fast. The official claims it tops up the 5000mAh battery fully within 42 minutes. One other thing that comes with the box is a 1 meter long Type-C cable. The 10 Pro 5G also has other two colors, Star Yarn and Moon Saw. We don't have the Moon Saw at the moment. I'll post more photos once I get one. The Star Yarn color looks really cool. It has shining particles that mimic starry night. Now we are unboxing the Redmi Note 10 5G version. The first layer includes a pin, some paperwork, and a phone case. There's no audio jack adapter, as the Note 10 comes with a headphone port. The back feels like glass, but actually it's matte plastic. The Note 10 5G comes with a MIUI 12, not 12.5 as you can see. As for specs, this model is not similar to the global model launched in March 2. The main specs include a 65-inch 2400 by 1080 resolution and 90Hz refresh rate middle punch hole design LCD display, similar middle processor Dimensity 700 chipset, 18W fast charging, IR blaster verison. For the camera, it looks like it offers a triple camera module, but actually only has two sensors, which are for 8MP main shooter and 2MP portrait. The front is 8MP if you are curious to know. As for the pricing and availability, please check out the description below. What do you think of these two phones? Let me know in the comments section. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, as I always provide the fastest first look at Xiaomi products and other cool gadgets in English. Don't miss them. I'm Sami. I will see you in the next one.